Zion gates when they close. So,
rock and swing like if it ain't nothing. Right now you're listening to the young ragamuffin bin. Rock and swing like if it ain't nothing. Right now you're listening to the young ragamuffin.
Oh now, yeah now, oh now. I great, I deny a man. They give me a pound with a greens, cause me chalice well clean. I'm rolling with me team, cause the youths have a dream. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I take a jar of the indica, drop asleep, me nerves are rest. But when me want to get creative, the sativa is the best. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I just steam and I steam and I steam.
New Bushman right now.
This I great, me get brave for trample Babylon.
Yo, DJ Rock Simon, jump it again.
Oh now, yeah now, oh now. I great, I deny a man. They give me a pound with a greens, cause me chalice well clean. I'm rolling with me team, cause the youths have a dream. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I take a jar of the indica, drop asleep, me nerves are rest. But when me want to get creative, the sativa is the best. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I just steam and I steam and I steam. When me burn this, I great, me get brave for trample Babylon and burn out bossy slave. I just steam and I steam and I steam. When we have vision, man, I dream, them I dream. They fight against this substance so very often. Stereotype and stigmatize, but all is talking. Bill a spliff and take a lift, and we no beg no pardon. Pardon, I'll be floating on cloud nine, yes. And all that's on my mind is the singer punchline. Steam and I steam and I steam. When we have vision, then I dream, them I dream. Hey, steam and I steam and I steam. Steam chalice, and we steaming down with greens. Hey, steam and I steam and I steam, yes. Steam and I steam and I steam, yes. Steam and I steam and I steam, yes. Steam and I steam and I steam. Give me a pound of the best, better imported from West. Me no want no nicotine, no tobacco on my chest. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I'll be burning, I great from the morning till it's done. I'll be burning, I great from the evening till it's sun. So when you crush it up in my palm, light it up and take a draw. Brain relax and stressing gone. Burning down Babylon yard. Stop against the Rasta farm. Big up all African. Man a real Naya man with me chalice in my hand, yes. I'll be floating on cloud nine, yes. Tell you now all that's on my mind, yeah. I'll be burning, I'll be steaming from the week start until the weekend is. Steam and I steam and I steam. Steam and I steam and I steam, yes. Steam and I steam and I steam. Steam and I steam and I steam. Give me a pound of the greens, cause my chalice well clean. I'm rolling with my team, cause the youths have a dream. Yo, steam and I steam and I steam. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I take a drop of the indica, drop asleep, me nerves are rest. But when me want to get creative, the sativa is the best. I just steam and I steam and I steam. I just steam and I steam and I
This is Empress
steam.
Imani,
Hey.
and you're locked in to Royal Zion Highness Radio.
Danger zone, them couldn't stop a youth like this. No, what is for you coulda never be for weed, seed, peanut, nor Chris. Boy, better belly bust than good food waste. What's mine is mine, give thanks and praise. I come here so fi work, I know in and no rat race. It's not what you gain, it's what you save. But every little job count.
Ross Fraser Jr. upon the case for the people. Somebody say pull that one.
Danger zone, them couldn't stop a youth like this. No, what is for you coulda never be for weed, seed, peanut, nor Chris. Boy, better belly bust than good food waste. What's mine is mine, give thanks and praise. I come here so fi work, I know in and no rat race. It's not what you gain, it's what you save. But every little job count. One step at a time while I summon the amount that I never give I more than I can bear. Give thanks for your life, you're here. Already it seems like you're down and out, and you're lost in the shadows. Cannot find your way back home, and have to tread this lonely road alone. And there are times when you're down and out, like there ain't no tomorrow. Cannot find your way back home, and have to tread this lonely road alone. Plead my cause, oh Jah, with them that strive with I. Yes, I fight against them that always a fight against I. Take hold of my shield and my buckler and stand up for my help. Miss the wicked, them a run up and down, yet the fire I go belt. Beat them, Jaja, you fi beat them. Use thunderball with them.
Yo, DJ Simon.
Use lightning and whip them. A lot of youths get caught in your system. Why? Racial discrimination cause segregation. What a situation. Already it seems like you're down and out, and you're lost in the shadows. Cannot find your way back home, and have to tread this lonely road alone. And there are times when you're down and out, like there ain't no tomorrow. Cannot find your way back home, and have to tread this lonely road alone.
Watch her now. Watch me.
Majestic.
DJ Simon. Drop it again.
All right, watch this one again. Luton fire upon the case for the people. Luton fire.
That grudgeful one day. Say them are your friend, but them are hidden. When I trust them, so me breathe them. Wicked with that love, is in me fall. Hear me now, no smiling face with a bag of sweet talk. Me know them corrupt in them heart. It no matter how much you do for them, them still a double cross you. Boy, boy, give them the whole nine, them one the one for make ten. You need a strength, them same one I walk past you. Hey, me say who need an enemy with friends like those? Me not spare no time for let them in up close. Them hate you for your things, them and the few pieces of clothes. And all them same one a come grudge you the most. Say them kind of thing they I won't allow. Me nah go flex, me nah go far with no clothes or phones. All in them intention is to bring you down low. Yet still them woulda want some of your dough. Say them are your friend, but them are hidden. When I trust them, so me free them. Wicked with that love, is in me fall. Hear me now, no smiling face with a bag of sweet talk. Me know them corrupt in them heart. It no matter how much good you do for them, them still a double cross you. Boy, boy, give them the whole nine, them want the one for make ten. You need a strength, them same one I walk past you. Even when you feed them and close them, give them place for sleep. Bust them money to spend, take them to the street. Them no really care, them still locked up like creeps. Red eye for your things, I wonder how them do it. You sight them as the morning peak. And every car we pass them one fan down and neat. Them tell me them a hustle, but I lie them a speak. Me have to fly past them in a lightning speed. Say them are your friend, but them are hidden. When I trust them, so me breathe them. Wicked with that love, is in me fall. Hear me now, no smiling face with a bag of sweet talk. Me know them corrupt in them heart. It no matter how much good you do for them, them still a double cross you. Boy, boy, give them the whole nine, them want the one for make ten. You need a strength, them same one I walk past you. Me know say
Sanjay Remo again, and the music I've been playing. Oh yeah,
Sergeant Remo.
I miss it all on them fin know. And this is no puppet show. From the time is with there, someone thinks that I'm a player when I touch this microphone. No, 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 no. All on them fin know. All on them fin know. This is no puppet show. From the time is with there, someone thinks that I'm a player when I touch this microphone. No, 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 no. All on them fin know. When the music is sweet and them love how we do it. And this one I hate, someone call for it. In a dance I fi play, pull up come again. Pull up, me selector. Siren up in blow and the laser. Sound system and the king, on the land them a bring. The music so sweet and nice, what a thing. I'm a love this your song. I miss it all on them fin know. And this ya no puppet show. From the time is with there, someone thinks that I'm a player when I touch this microphone. No, 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 no. All on them fin know. All on them fin know. This ya no puppet show. From the time is with there, someone thinks that I'm a player when I touch this microphone. No, 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 no. All on them fin know. See them come and they want we fi run. See them come and want lock off the sun. Everything cool up, it's no stress. Rubber dubber play, pan the speaker, no stress. Don't play, but take a rest. Mr. Officer, don't lock off with sound. Four big scoop.
No officer, no officer. Don't stop the music, officer. Let the music play, officer.
Say she a come to the big sound clash. Four big sound in a one big land. Who are the real #1 champion? Hey, one selector with a wicked DJ. Remove on the mic and you know we no play. I miss it all on them fin know. And this ya no puppet show. From the time is with there, someone thinks that I'm a player when I touch this microphone. No, 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 no. All on
Yo, DJ Simon.
Jaja never bring me this far. Jaja never bring me this far to let me fall. Jaja never let me fall. Jaja never bring me this far. Jaja never bring me this far to let me fall. Jaja never let me fall. My Lord, I hear them telling me to wait a bit. Mine over matter when poverty your brain like storm and then hungry you look like maca. Give thanks to the few little pieces while gone on the few see snapper. Stand firm and stand like rock ya. Everything will soon be proper. Hard work and riches come after. But when I use my locks one cutter, earth bless me a circle and map ya. Persevere and live me life proper. No rasta seat up sata and kick them like a sucker. And heal up sata masagana. Jaja never bring me this far. Jaja never bring me this far. Let me fall. Jaja never let me fall. Jaja never bring me this far. Jaja never bring me this far to let me fall. Jaja never let me fall. Yeah, I only got one life to live. Hypocrite can't talk. I'm doing what I'm doing. Confronting my survival is not an easy thing. It's a task I have to face while I'm living. Every man got an equal share, and I will take mine. I know it's right there. I tell you just a few minor obstacles to clear. So far to reach and I've got no fear. Jaja never bring me this far. Jaja never bring me this far to let me fall. Jaja never let me fall.
Got a lot of love in this life we live. Oh,
Majestic.
Da, 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 da.
Yo, DJ Simon.
One life to live, and I'm gonna live it. Still I've got much love to give. I'm gonna give it. I've learned a lot throughout life lessons. I try to live it right in the most I sight. Give a little, share a little love if you can. It's a joy to explore the land. See new places, meet new faces. Yeah, yeah. It's not over yet, so I'll live with no regrets. Cause time fly fast, so let good times last. We get it free, no cost. There is one life to live, and I'm gonna live it. Still I've got much love to give. I'm gonna give it. Oh Lord, I've learned a lot throughout life lessons. I try to live it right in the most I sight. When I wake every morning, I know joy is by my side. You cannot degrade me. I'll never lose my pride. I believe in the laws of attraction. If you're not blessed, then you're cursed. So you better be careful what you put in the universe. I've got one life to live. I'm gonna live it. Oh,
Love the life you live and live the love you life. Love the life you live and live the life you love. Sing.
the road life lesson. Oh, I'm gonna live it right. Oh,
What's next, John? What's next, John?
yeah. Gotta live it right.
Yeah, man, I don't know how can they represent for Royal Zion Highness radio station. You know, you see what I say? At the baddest radio station in the entire world. Play a big tune. Play a big
Rasta never say I'm sorry for the locks that time and carry no dread.
Yo, DJ Simon, drop it again.
Ever living, always faithful. Give thanks, Jah Rastafari, no dead, no dead.
Majestic.
Rasta never say I'm sorry for the locks that time and carry. No dread, no dread. Ever living, always faithful. Give thanks, Jah Rastafari. No dead, no dead.
All my chapter just them out, them a beat up. Mighty Royal Selassie, I sit up. Chant couple psalm and the pagan a wake up. David go stop out, Goliath them nick up. Honesty, honesty, without apology, man I had to take a note from his biography. Hail Emperor Selassie, I the first.
Rasta never say I'm sorry for the locks that time and carry. No dread, no dread. Ever living, always faithful. Give thanks, Jah Rastafari. No dead, no dead.
No obstacles we overcome the time so hard. The hungry must be fed, the patter bubble down a yard.
Consider me, Jah, consider me, Lord.
If life is a gift, the blessing is a reward. To cherish, to love and to treasure. Impossible to count or measure.
Watch me now.
No disrespect, Selassie, I know I just said the things.
Jinka right now.
I never say I'm sorry for the locks that time and carry. No dread, no dread, no dread. Ever living, always faithful. Give thanks, Jah Rastafari. No dead, no dead, no dead.
All my chapter just them out, them a beat up. Mighty Royal Selassie, I sit up. Chant couple psalm and the pagan a wake up. David go stop out, Goliath them nick up. Honesty, honesty, without apology, man I had to take a note from his biography. Hail Emperor Selassie, I the first.
Rasta never say I'm sorry for the locks that time and carry. No dread, no dread. Ever living, always faithful. Give thanks, Jah Rastafari. No dead, no dead, no dead.
Jah protect me from my enemy. By any means necessary. Jah, please guide in all that I do. I need you beside as these days become new. Jah, please guide me as we try to make it through. With each breath, give my strength. Protect my life, protect my life. One life we have, we not have too many, and we already have fight for it. We are about the toast and still we armed and ready. Feel the thing when there's life over there to the water necessary. We are trying to keep positive. And we not ready for sleep in that cemetery. If day for life, that's when I give Jah, please guide in all that I do. I need you beside every day come through. Jah, please guide as I try to make it. With each breath, give my strength. Take my life, take my life. As time gets older, heart and men get colder. I beg a Jah, watch over, keep me head on my shoulder. Oh, see me youth in a stroller. Me mama not cry over, can't eat well. Yeah, dollar kind for the penny, so we stay by ourselves, that's we calm and steady. Do anything we will find necessary to defend the crown like military can't get wet. Jah, please guide in all that I do. I need you beside every day we come through. Jah, please guide
each breath, give my strength. Take me like, still working, yeah, for a better life, yeah. Empire sound again, yeah. I'm working, still working for a better life.
Yo, DJ Rock Simon.
I'm working for a better life. Yes, I'm working for a better life. Yes, I'm working, still working for a better life. Yeah. Rest and I go beg, me not go borrow. Me not go live my life in no sorrow. This promise me I make, none of my children shall live a big bread. I want them me get to find out. By the sweat of your brow, you will go eat your bread. So work for what you want. King Rastafari, I guide you along life's journey. I'm working, still working for a better life. I'm still working for a better life. Yes, I'm working for a better life. Yes, I'm still working for a better life. Yeah. And poverty me put up a resistance. Cause Rasta man, you know, say me no response. Cause now these your times, me not go sit down and tarry me no lay no time. Who ja bless me say no man curse. Give thanks to Jaja, me say I'm not the worst. And me a stand firm, me a work for what I want. I'm working, still working for a better life.
So me big up all of the real Sunday, undercover rain. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Represent for the true Sunday. This one is for you, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Good son, sit down, listen and take instruction. Good son, no fit take rebuke him, take correction. So apostle teach me in a the master class session. Submitted man, that I am mass and listen confession. Connected in spirit to me father divine connection. Through me replicate me that the me have perception. Yes me have results, them yes me have good reception. Who know what hear me recording session now. The real Sunday, undercover rain. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Represent for the true Sunday. This one is for you, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Young real son, follow for the example. Duplicate, replicate it in a bundle. First and foremost, if you stay humble. Shine brighter than a candle. Double grace anointing, I yes, them can't handle. In the walk of righteousness, them standing straight, them not stumble. Maintain positive confession, them not grumble. No mix up in no disbelief jungle. So me big up all of the real Sunday, undercover rain. Whoa, whoa, yeah. Represent for the true Sunday. This one is for you, yeah. Whoa, whoa. These are words and advice, them be good medicine. If we keep with them, we eat them in our heart, we listen. Trust God to connect you to a good covering. Stop wondering, no. Sit down and serve, yo. Stop clamoring for that who that the source of life it at the beginning. From you see me daddy, you saw me replicating. And no lie and no joke thing, stop complaining. Grumbling and murmuring when me say what you know, yo. So me big up all of the real Sunday, undercover rain.
You are now tuned in to Royal Zion Highness Radio.
Yeah, man, I don't know how can they represent for Royal Zion Highness radio station. You know? You see what I say? And the baddest radio station in the entire world. Play a big tune, drop
real
it.
reggae music, I just can't refuse it. Real reggae music on Royal Zion Highness Radio. Where you want to say that?
This is Empress Imani, and you're locked in to Royal Zion Highness Radio.
Yeah, man, this is Sadiq here, and you know, so me have to keep my radio locked to Royal Zion Highness Radio 24 hours a day, me say.
Yo, this is Tanta Mitch. I'm bigging up Royal Zion Highness Radio. You don't know. I the bless. Royal Zion Highness Radio. Keep it locked. Tanta Mitch says so. Mad sitting out and bad.
Everybody wanna prove that they're so educated and they're so intelligent. Why you got people dying? What's the sense in getting
Yo, DJ Simon, drop it again.
To see about the betterment of the country, the planet, the world. Come on, man. Wow. The ancestors have returned and they've got this fire to burn, and they're asking for the children who were brought into slavery. The ancestors have returned and they got this fire to burn, and they're asking why the children are suffering and hungry. Happy, happy Africa, happy, happy Africa. Why would have gotten you so vexed? Happy, happy Africa, happy, happy Africa. No need for war, you're so blessed. It was slavery, war on the atrocities, malnourished baby, famine affect the families. Oh, Jaja, help me in this time of prophecy. The continent of Africa will fulfill our destiny. Oh, happy, happy Africa, happy, happy Africa. What could have gotten you so vexed? Happy, happy Africa, happy, happy Africa. We need no war 'cause you're so blessed. The land was clean, the land was pure, until the wicked one touched the shores, and they turned our sons into gunmen and our daughters into whores. Africa is filled with love, need no war, no shedding of blood. Africa is filled with joy, need no one to come and destroy. Africa, you've got all the resources to make things better. Oh yes, of course. All you gotta do is unite the forces, and the Most High open up the doors. Happy, happy Africa, happy, happy Africa. What could have gotten you so vexed? Happy, happy Africa, happy Ethiopia. No need to war 'cause you're so blessed. The ancestors have returned and they got this fire burn, and they're asking for the people who were brought into slavery. The ancestors have returned and they got this fire to burn, and they're asking why the children suffering. Happy, happy Africa, happy, happy Africa. What could have gotten you so vexed? Happy, happy Africa, happy, happy Africa. No need to work 'cause you're so blessed.
Final tune for tonight. DJ Ras, I'm gonna sign off right now.
A task to accomplish. This is how I feel to approach it to firmness. Willingness to stand up in a sincere earnest. Description of him was in a skin, a cup of burnish. The spindle the wheel wherever justice is turning. Out of the guns of the earth and is with them learning. Human want a better condition concerning. Till they said they fled out of conditional furnace. End up in a pub, become a refugee crisis. End up in a Europe, out of African vice.
And we are left on with some words right now. He who is worthy of praise amongst men is a man who, animated by sentiment, justice, perseveres in the way of equity.
This is how I feel to approach it to firm.
Yo, DJ Simon, drop it again. Straight Jamaica said that.
Nothing was in the skin, a cup of burnish. A task to accomplish. This is how I feel to approach it to firmness. Willingness to stand up in a sincere earnest. Description of him was in a skin, a cup of burnish. They spindle the wheel wherever justice are turning. Out of the guns of the earth and it's whether them learning. Human want a better condition concerning. Till they say they fled out of conditional furnace. End up in a what become a refugee crisis. End up in a Europe out of African vices. Feel like them could make some lioness noises. When just say all the ones we treat you with the kindness. When just say all the ones we treat you with niceness. Greet you with kindness, with skin color blindness. Hey, hey, hey. At last to accomplish it, this is how I feel to approach it, a firmness. Willingness to stand up in a sincere earnest. Description of him was in a skin, a cup of burnish. Spindle the wheel wherever justice a turning. Out to the ends of the earth and it's better them learn it. Human want a better condition concerned it. Tell you so they fled out of condition of the furnace. No say that this legit situation and the deficit is set out by raft, get rescued by ship. Who just send on yourself to allocate the waiting, the suffering, the shivering, the youth and the maiden. Imagine the relief to be someplace safe inside. In the free flow of the human tide, world migration is from all time. Though so many make it, many perish outright. Human cargo precious within judge's sight. How you will be written when the history is right. If you have been kind, if you have been unkind. When the rhythm drop it in a one job style. 5 hours wise you with the lamp well high. Unto Melchizedek 1/10 of the spoil. Some of these are those who have seek and find. A task to accomplish. This is how I feel to approach it, the firmness. Willingness to stand up in a sincere earnest. Description of him was in a skin, a cup of burnish. Spindle on the wheel wherever justice turning. Out of the ends of the earth and is whether them learn it. Human want a better condition concerning. Tell me say they fled out of conditional furnace. End up in a what became a refugee crisis. End up in a Europe out of African vices. Let them could make some else and lioness noises. And just say all the ones that we treat you with the kindness, treat you with kindness, skin color blindness. A task to accomplish, this is how I feel to approach it, the firmness. Willingness to stand up in a sincere earnest. Description of him was in a skin, a cup of burnish. Spindle the wheel wherever justice a turned it. Out to the guns of the earth and it's better them a learned it. Human want a better condition can turn it. Tell you so they fled out of condition of the furnace. End up in a what become a refugee crisis. End up in a Europe out of African devices. Feel like them could make a love some like you're not nice. When just around the ones we treat you with the kindness. Treat you with the kindness, with skin color blindness. A task to accomplish. This is how I feel to approach it, the firmness. Willingness to stand up in a sincere earnest. Description of him was in a skin, a cup of burnish. Spindle the wheel wherever justice a turn it. Out to the guns of the earth and it's whether them learn it. Human want a better condition concerning. Tell them say they fled out of condition of the furnace. End up in a what become a refugee crisis. End up in a Europe out of African vices. Feel like them could make a law, some like you're not so nice. When just say all the ones we treat you with the kindness. Treat you with the kindness, skin color blindness.
Ooh, DJ Ras, I man never lose his faith. King Rastafari so great. Give thanks and praise. Ooh, I will never lose my faith. Rastafari so great. Give thanks and praise, DJ Ras, man. For every truth there is a lie, and every lie there is a truth. For every action there is a reaction, and it no matter what the action. Still yet the truth will set you free. Over land, skies and sea. 3 in 1, just see the Trinity. Rastafari never disagree, DJ Simon. But if joy is for us, no one can fight against us. 400 years in a slavery, black man proclaim your glory. Ooh, I will never lose my faith. DJ Simon so great. And for me, the vocal voice and also Rasfriz Jr., aka the Young Prince coming at you. Holy man never lies, Selassie I Joe. Rastafari, Land mine.
Majestic.
DJ Simon never loses faith. King Rastafari so great.
Majestic.
Give thanks and praise. Ooh, I will never lose my faith. Rastafari so great. Give thanks and praise. DJ Simon.